This strategy is so easy, my dog Metro could probably do it. So I want to show you guys this very simple strategy that's not time consuming whatsoever and that you'll be able to use today. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you could and like this video so other traders can see it. Without further ado, let's get into my computer. Yo, before we go into the video, I just want to give a huge thank you to every single one of you that is subscribed to my channel. Just hit 22,000 subscribers today, which is amazing, on the road to 30,000 next. So I like to call this the new strategy. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to forexfactory.com. Okay, now let me tell you the basis of this strategy. Basically what we're doing is we're waiting for news to come out and we're going to have two pending orders above resistance and below support, and whichever one hits, that's what's going to activate the order and we're going to be in a long position or a short position. As you guys know, when news comes out, it usually makes the market go up or down very dramatically. So when I'm using this on Forex Factory, I go to the filter and I just have the high impact box check, the red one right here. All this is fine right here. We're going to go to apply filter. Now what we're looking for is the next time that we have news. So ideally you guys want to make sure you have a timer set about 10 minutes before the news event comes out. So 9:30 p.m. we have news on the AUD. So if there is news on the AUD, we're going to go to AUD USD. If there's news on the NZD, the New Zealand dollar, we're going to go to NZD USD. If there's news on the US dollar, I'm most likely going to go to Euro USD because that's like the top USD currency out there. There's GBP news, GBP USD, so on and so forth. CAD, USD CAD. So we have news coming out 9:30 p.m. in an hour and a half on AUD. So we're going to go to Trading View. We're going to type in AUD USD. Let's go, baby. Now when we're using this strategy, we're going to be on the 5-minute chart. Now you want to do this about 5 minutes before the news comes out. And let me tell you, this isn't going to happen every single time, but it's crazy. When I tried this strategy for the first time, I made like $800 in a matter of 2 minutes. So when we're using this strategy, we're using low time frames, 1. 2, we're using big lot sizes, because your stop loss is going to be very, very tight. So obviously you have to calculate your risk, but when I'm doing this, I'm using like a standard lot, 2 standard lots, 3 standard lots. And what I'm overall doing is, hypothetically, let's pretend that the news is about to come out in 5 minutes. So let's say we have 3 minutes left till the news comes out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just find my nearest point of support and resistance in between current market price. So right here's my resistance. I'm going to go to that wick, and then I'm going to have an entry right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a buy stop set right here at this resistance, and then I'm going to have a sell stop set right here at this support. Now here's a little hack. Usually when news comes out, it's most likely going to go in the trend that it's already in. So if we have news coming out on the AUD, we're already kind of in an uptrend, it looks like. Yeah, overall we're in an uptrend. You guys can see that we're in an uptrend, so it's most likely just going to continue to go up. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So we can see that we're in an uptrend. So when the news comes out, it's either going to shoot up and activate our buy stop, or it's going to shoot down and activate our sell stop. Now you kind of want to have your buy and sell stops a little bit further away from current market price, because we're kind of close to price right here. So it could shoot up, hit it, and then go down. So I'm going to have my buy stop at this resistance right here. So I have a buy stop set right here and a sell stop set right here. So if you guys do not know what a buy stop is and a sell stop, it's not like a buy limit where it has to go down to a certain price level, hit it, and then it activates your order and you want it to go up. A buy stop is we have a pending order, and once price goes and hits it, it's going to activate our order. And then once it activates our order, we're going to be in profit. So now here's the thing that you guys need to make sure that you have. I almost missed this, but I'm happy that I reminded myself. So you guys want to make sure that you guys have a sell, or you guys want to make sure you guys have your stop loss for your buy stop at the entry for your sell stop. And then vice versa, your stop loss for your sell stop is going to be at your entry for your buy stop. So try this strategy out, guys. But the first time I tried it, it was absolutely insane. And I was in shock. But like I said, we're using the high impact news events when it's NZD, NZD USD, AUD, AUD USD. So try this out. And what you guys should do, this is what I would do if I were you, that's very smart, is I would take notes when you're doing this strategy, because we have news on the Australian dollar for RBA rate statements. So we can go to the history and we could see what happened in the past. Obviously, there's no past history right here that shows us. We would have like a forecast of what actually happened. If we go right here, it'll probably show us. Yeah, see, we have a history right here. So the last time that we had news for this specific news event was May 4th, 2021. So if you're gonna back test news, what you would do is go to May 4th, 2021, and you would most likely be looking on like the minute 15 chart for a big burst of energy, a big burst of price going up or down. And you're like, all right, well, last time that news came out, this is what happened, it shot down. And then you can kind of keep a notebook and you're like, all right, well, when we have news for NZD, the New Zealand dollar, and its unemployment change Q/Q, it usually goes down. And then you have all this feedback for the future where you're like, all right, well, last time that news came out, it went down. So it's most likely going to do the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay for just another second. I'm going to show you this beautiful sunset right here in San Diego. All right, so you guys can see I got the setup right there. This is where all the content does go down in my apartment in San Diego. Got Metro. I want to show you guys this sunset though. There we go, you guys can see that sunset, gorgeous. Got a pretty sick apartment out here in downtown San Diego. Absolutely beautiful. You guys gotta come visit San Diego if you have never been out here. But yeah, I'm enjoying that sunset right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.